Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Motorola Moto G04. You have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click on Get Started and then select Child or Teen and click Next. Now click on Add or Create Account for your child. And now you have to enter your child email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your password. And click I agree. Then scroll down and click Accept. And now you have to select your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. Then you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Then click Next. And now you have to scroll down and click Next. Now click Next again, and then you can click Instant Family Link, or you can click Skip, and then you can install this app manually, and then click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.